back, guys. So before we actually start the video, I just want to say if you guys do enjoy the content, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you guys are new, consider subscribing as well. And if you guys want to know what we do behind the scenes, follow us on Instagram at Performance Rebuilds. So let's get straight into it. So as you can see, we have painted the insides of the bonnet, both doors and that tailgate as well. So we did do this off camera because I didn't want to bore you guys and long out the video by recording every single panel getting prepped and painted. What we need to do is actually paint the outside of these panels. So if you look here, guys, you got primer on there. We need to wet flat that with the grit of 800. Once that's done, these panels are all pretty much ready to be painted on the outside, and that's going to be the job for today. So yeah, I'm going to start the work on that now, guys. I'm going to sand it all down with a grit of 800. Once that's done, if I can get all these panels done, I'll start working on the other panels like the wings and the side skirts and that rear bumper as well. But for now, my main focus is going to be these panels just here. So we'll start off by working on probably this door just here, and I'll just work my way down to all the other panels. Guys, it is the next day, and both wings, both doors, bonnet and the tailgate have all been prepped and are now ready for paint. But the paint booth is full at the moment, so we're just waiting for the free slots so we can actually take the panels down and start painting. But I thought in the meantime what we can do is actually take these alloy wheels apart. I've already made a start on it, so if you look down here, guys, these are 3-piece alloy wheels, so they come off as 3 separate pieces. So this center part, we will be painting that in a satin black, and this chrome bit right here, that'll be going in a gloss black. So yeah, we're going to be sending them off to get them all sprayed up, and yeah, hopefully once you get back we can actually get them back onto the car. In the meantime, guys, I'll just start picking them apart. So just got done taking apart the alloy wheels. Like I mentioned before, guys, we are going to be painting the front dish a black gloss. The center part will be a satin black, and then the rear, I'm not too sure what we can do with that. Maybe go like a matte black or something. But yeah, we'll be painting the rears ourselves, but the front and the center, we're going to be sending that out to someone else for them to paint. Because the reason why we're doing that, we could do it ourselves, but they've got the proper equipment, because they're going to basically peel off the original paint and then they basically spray on the new, powder coat. I'm not too sure how they do it, but I'm sure they'll do a much better job than us, guys. So yeah, we can do that externally. In the meantime, what we can do is we'll start working on the side skirts. We'll start sanding them down, getting ready for primer. Maybe start working on that rear bumper as well. Like I mentioned before, guys, all these panels that you see scattered around here, they are all ready for the booth, but the booth is busy at the moment. I think he's got like 2 cars waiting to go in. I'm not too sure what's going on, to be honest. But yeah, we're just waiting for the booth to clear up. Once the booth is free, we can take all these panels down and get them all sprayed up. But in the meantime, I'll start working on the side skirt, and we'll just sand it down and see how far we get, guys. If I get that done, I'll just do the rear bumper as well. Hopefully sometime in this video you will see all these panels sprayed up. So yeah, guys, in the meantime, we'll start working skirts. So we just got news that the booth is actually free right now, so we're going to start taking parts down to the spray booth. We're going to take both wings, both doors and the tailgate as well. So hopefully we can get all those panels painted tonight, and then tomorrow we can kind of bring them back and start fitting things back together. So guys, there's still a good amount of work to be done. We still got to paint the bonnet. Both of the bumpers need to be prepped and painted, side skirts as well. But hopefully by the end of this video we'll have the doors, the tailgate and both wings in paint. As you guys saw last night, we sprayed up both wings, both doors and the tailgate as well. Those panels are nice and dry now, so they are ready to fit back onto the car. And that's exactly what we're going to do now. We'll start off with the tailgate, we'll build it back up, we'll get that fitted in, then we'll work our way down to the doors and then the wings. We still got to paint the side skirts, both front and rear bumper, but that will be getting done sometime next week. We've got to paint the top side of the bonnet as well. We'll do that on probably a Sunday if you get time. So there's still loads of panels left to paint. We have sent the rims off for a respray. Like I mentioned before, we're going for the satin black centre and the gloss back dish. So yeah, hopefully those will be back sometime next week as well, and hopefully next week all the painting will be done and we'll just be fitting all the panels back onto the car really. So yeah guys, I'll get started now with the fitting the panels back up. We'll start from tailgate, and yeah, we'll see how the car looks once all the panels are on.